Happy New Year! And as Z's Toy Box New Year's resolution goes, my resolutions mainly consist of, obviously, toys and finishing pre-existing collections. First of which, my flying dragons. It's an assortment of various dragons from various toy lines and companies and fandoms, but ones that look like they're flying, so there they are. So let's see what we can do about this. World of Warcraft Dragon 2-packs by McFarlane. I'd say this is a good start. Let's go open them up. Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z. This is Cornelius, and y'all know Zeus. And today we're bringing you a way to add to my Flying Dragon collection World of Warcraft Dragon 2-packs by McFarlane. They made two 2-packs, so I got the two 2-packs. Each one has a different dragon in it. Then each 2-pack is kind of like a palette swap, but it does have a different head sculpt at least. So here we have the bronze Proto-Drake and the blue Highland Drake, and then that switches over to the black Proto-Drake and the red Highlands dragon. We'll start with that one. Because again, I'm soon gonna need a bigger table. Somebody keeps growing. Oh, there's stuff inside. Oh, there's just 3 random stickers. A WoW logo, dude and a dragon. Listen, when I played WoW, it was the top-down strategy-based ones, so it's been a while. Forgive me if I don't know who this is. And only half of the map. Holy twist ties. One of the New Year's resolutions is to give Cornelius an upgrade. So here's Mr. Red Highland and Black Proto. These are insane. Now, obviously we have the stand to put them on, and hey, it stands. It is a nice stand. New stickers, another WoW, another dude, a elf, and a dragon. Oh, bless you. And just a dragon. We didn't get the other half of the map. And now we have the bronze Proto and the blue Highland. You love the dragon, or are you eating the dragon? No, stop eating the dragon. So here you have the old set. One interesting thing to note, this pack did not come with the base parts. Like where they were blister sealed in, it was undone. But the tape and everything look tampered with. So I'm very confused because I thought I brought these brand new. So yeah. So as of right now, we can just have dragon lollipops. You can use them as dragon stick puppets. But this is definitely a toy to just kind of put on a shelf and observe. Unless yours too doesn't come with the base and you just get a dragon puppet and can have dragons swarm your kitty co-host. Yeah, overall, I gotta say, I'm impressed. I keep noticing more and more detail on these. I gotta say, if you're looking for some just cool dragons for display purposes, whether you're hanging them with, well, I use fishing line and hooks, or using these stands, it's definitely worth it. Hopefully yours comes with stands. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you tune in next week for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. More New Year's related draconic goodness. Thanks so much. Bye. Rawr. Rawr. And here we have our Highland dragons, the red and the blue. It's like they're dancing together. And the Proto-Dragons, the black and the bronze. They're having a nice conversation. Using their words, not their flames or their massive horns, I assume.